Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my January Boxycharm unboxing. I haven't done a Boxycharm unboxing in a while. I did do a little Instagram video for my November box, but my December literally just flew by and I completely forgot about the box. But even when I finally ended up opening it, I wasn't too impressed with the stuff inside of it. So yeah, but I am really excited about this month's box, so let's just go ahead and dive right in. This month's box, the theme is Rock 2018. I'm hoping for a lot of good things this year. I feel like Boxycharm is gonna really put in a lot of good stuff this year. I don't know, I just have a good feeling. So I am gonna be trying out everything in this month's box as I go. So there is just one thing that I know I'm not going to try, and when I kind of preview what was in here just so I knew what to put on my face today. I'm not going to be using this, but I will tell you a little bit about it. This is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. This retails for $24. I have used this before. I have tried this. I've gotten this so many times. I've gotten this in PR. I got this 900 times as gratis when I worked at Ulta. And I personally, this just doesn't work out for me. The color, I don't really like the color, but I know so many people do really love this brow pencil. I don't know, it's just for me, the color and the shape of the actual pencil just doesn't work out for me. So I will put this aside for a giveaway for one of you guys to try it out and see if you like it for yourself. In order of how I'm going to do my face today, so I'm going to start off with this. This is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. This retails for $38. That's a pretty expensive primer. So let's just try this out. It's like a skin tone color. It doesn't seem to have a scent or anything, so let's just try this out. I don't think I'm going to be doing anything too crazy with my makeup today. I just want to chill. Okay, now it has a little bit of a scent, but not anything too crazy, but it does have a little bit of a scent. But yeah, I'm just going to chill today. I'm so tired. I planned to film this morning before work, and I was like, yeah, I'm going to get up really early and film before I go to work. That did not happen. So I'm filming right now after work. It's 4 o'clock. This makes my skin look pretty luminous, not super glowy or anything, but it does make my skin look naturally radiant, and it did seem to kind of, oops, shit. I feel like it did kind of minimize my pores a little bit, so that's really good. It says that this is a luminizing primer that delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections. That's pretty much exactly what it did. So yeah, that looks really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna do the rest of my face, foundation and stuff. I'm gonna just use the Fenty Beauty foundation, do concealer, contour and bronzer and stuff, and then I'll use the rest of the products afterwards. So I went ahead and did the rest of my face, just my foundation, concealer, and bronzer and contour. It's wild how fast I can do my face makeup. I swear eye makeup just takes so long. I'm baking the side of my nose right now. The product in here is really exciting. You guys know I love Pure. So we have the Pure Bronze and Brightened Cheek Palette. So I already added bronzer because I did see I did see Kathleen's video and she uses, and honestly I just don't really like I'll show you guys. The bronzer in here is extremely shimmery. I personally don't. I do like a nice sheeny kind of bronzer, but this is this is literally shimmery. That could be a metallic eyeshadow. That'd actually be really pretty as an eyeshadow, but as a bronzer, no thank you. And it's actually pretty warm, and I feel like it's just gonna be too orange on me. So I'm gonna skip the bronzer. Pretty eyeshadow though. You guys know I love Pure, no shade against Pure, but yeah, I cannot use that as a bronzer. I just, no. But I am going to go ahead and use the blush and the highlight because those look right up my alley. I love very sheeny, luminous blushes. So I'm really excited to try this. It looks like it's going to be pretty pigmented, so I'm just going to kind of tap off the excess. This retails for $34. So let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. I love shimmery blushes. Really pretty. It is kind of pretty shimmery, so if you don't like shimmery blushes, you're probably gonna hate this. Oh, I also wanted to note, even though this is a luminizing primer, my skin feels super dry right now. So I would probably have to use that like in conjunction with a hydrating primer. Anyway, I actually really like this blush, like a lot. The part that I'm most excited for is the highlight, which is Afterglow. That's the name of it. Let's see what this looks like. I feel like this is going to be like an intense highlight. Oh my god. Well, I'm like trying to look in my mirror. There's a mirror in here. This is really pretty. This is such a pretty highlighter. This, oh god, if this had like a really good bronzer in it, this would have been like the perfect like palette to take with you on the go. I mean, I probably will still take this like if I go somewhere. I really like the highlight in here and the blush, so I could definitely see myself taking this with me like to travel or something if I would travel. I don't travel anywhere. But I really like this. It's not like a glittery highlighter either. Like it kind of just makes your skin look like naturally glowy. So I really like that. It doesn't look powdery either. I love this. I love the highlighter in here. It's so pretty. I love the blush. Really, really good. The next thing in here is an eyeshadow palette, and it just fell out of my hand. This is the Crown Pro Glam Metals palette. This retails for $25. That is what it looks like. The inside is really cute. It has like a little guitar. This is mostly metallic shadows. So I am gonna have to go into another palette, but let me just do some swatches really quick. Here are some. Let's see. Ooh, really pretty. Definitely metallic. There is just one matte shade in here from what it seems like. This is more, I wouldn't say this is like a metallic, but it's more like a satin. And the only matte shade in here is a black. So that kind of sucks. Like you definitely, I don't know, like this isn't something that I could see myself reaching for. But we're going to use it anyway. So I went ahead and just primed my eyes. I am going to have to dip into another palette just because there are no really like matte shades in this one. So I'm going to go and just take the ColourPop Double Entendre. Is that the name of this palette? I swear I don't even know the name of it. I'm just going to take some crease shades in here. Probably just take like these 3 in the middle right here. And then I'll put like one of the metallics on my lid. This palette is so good for like literally just everyday looks. Like I said, I'm not trying to do anything like crazy. I feel like it is going to end up being like look dramatic because these metallics are kind of dark. So I feel like I'm going to end up having a smoky eye. But, you know, it's fine. It's cool. Because the only like light one in here is like a like silvery taupe, and I'm not about that life. No, thank you. Take a little bit of like that darker reddish brown because I'm gonna go with like the bronzier coppery color in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this like reddish brown color. I'm just gonna put that. Is this a metallic? Oh yeah, okay. I'm just gonna put that on my lid. Honestly, I thought that was gonna be way more metallic. It kind of is just like a normal shimmer. Okay, at center, like, oh, that one's really metallic. Okay, I'm just mixing those two together. Back in with that like reddish brown shade to blend everything together. I had just added the same colors that I put in my crease on my lower lash line. I just added some lashes. I also added that highlight in my inner corner and on my brow bone as well. Honestly, I'm like a little disappointed in that palette. Like I feel like once I kind of blended everything together, they just kind of don't really do too much for me. Like they're not doing it for me, you know? They're kind of lackluster, so I'm kind of like, whatever about it. Last but not least, I'm actually really excited for this product. This is the Galactic Matte Lip Paint. This one is in the shade Demure. You guys know Posh is like one of my favorite colors of all time. I actually did have Demure before. I have no idea where it's at. I'm gonna take this like lip balm that I have on off my lips. I feel like this color is not gonna match this look like at all, but you know, it's fine. I love the Galactic formula. I have one of the best liquid lipstick formulas ever. They're so good. They're so comfortable. Okay, so that is the color. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad with this eye look. It's just like kind of different tones, but whatever. Yeah, I love this color. It's like a pretty rose. I don't know, I really like it. These retail for $23. They are kind of pricey for like a liquid lipstick, but I love the formula of their Galactic liquid lipsticks. They're so good. If you haven't tried them, I highly recommend them. Pretty much it for this month's box. Let me add everything up and see how much this month's box is worth. This month's box is actually worth $144. That's actually really a lot. So yeah, like I said, I actually really love the Pure palette. The bronzer, not so much for a bronzer, but I think it'll be a really pretty eyeshadow. Blush and the highlight is really, really good, so I definitely will be using this more often. And I like that this packaging is actually pretty sturdy. Like I could throw this in my bag and stuff, and like I don't think it would break. I also do like that there is a big mirror in here too, so that's really nice. Like I said, it was kind of lackluster for me, so I didn't really care for it that much. I probably won't reach for it ever again. The primer, I am going to try it again with like another hydrating primer with it, because to me, I feel like it was a little bit drying on my skin. I feel like that could be because of like the pore minimizing factor in it, but my skin does look really, really good, so I can't complain. Really happy to see Galactic in this month's box. I actually like a lot of products from Galactic, so I hope we see more from them. I totally forgot to mention, but if you don't even know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box that you pay for $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products in it every single month, and I do think that you get like a good amount for your money. Like I said, all of this stuff is like brand name stuff. Like it's not like, I mean, sometimes you do get stuff that you've never heard of, but you know, Galactic, Pure, Dr. Brandt, Crown, you know, you've heard the names before, so it's not just like random things. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will leave a link down below. It is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up through it, I do get a small commission from it. But if you don't want to sign up through my link, you don't feel comfortable doing that, you could just go to boxycharm.com and sign up through there. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.